there goes our tour boat right there. So I just want to let you know, if you do come out to Kanchanaburi and you do come to the Kwai River Bridge here, they do got some boat tours that you can take, and the price will differ depending on how far you need to go. But we just got done with a really cool boat trip. We went to the Chiang Kai War Memorial Cemetery. We also went to the museum, and we also went to the temple cave. So those were the 3 places that we went to, and that was about 1,000 baht. And like I said, sometimes you might get a discount, sometimes you might be able to get it for 800 baht. But you know, I didn't feel like trying to, you know, be a stickler on the price or anything. So today we paid the 1,000 baht. But definitely the price may fluctuate if you come on, let's say, a season where there's not very many people, or maybe there's a lot of boats and they kind of have to compete with each other. But as of right now, there was literally one boat available, so I didn't want to be too crazy about, you know, getting the price down anymore. But either way, that was definitely a fun trip to go to. If you have a longer period of time, they can take you to more places. But for our trip, we decided to just go to the 3 places, which was the War Memorial Cemetery, the museum, and the cave temple. So either way, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. And let me know if you have any questions about Thailand, because I will answer any questions in the comments below on this video. And if you're interested in hiring a tour guide out here in Thailand, make sure to send me an email, because if you send me an email, I'll either help you myself while you come out here to Thailand, or I'll hook you up with one of my friends that could accompany you on your tour to Thailand. And it's very important that you have someone out here to take care of you, so you don't get scammed and you don't get in any trouble. You got to make sure that someone's coming with you throughout your entire journey. And it's also a lot easier too, because if you have someone with you the entire time, you don't have to worry about any translation problems, because you'll have someone who speaks both Thai and English, so you won't have to worry about running into any translation issues. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.